Hello everyone, thank you for stopping by my channel to see the flip through of the Down the Rabbit Hole Alice in Wonderland journal. I've finally completed it. I found corners, or I used corners that are brass. The ones I wanted I could not find, so I think these turned out nice though. So this is a ring bound journal, and the whole design was by Tanya at Tatty Treasures and Collage Type, her digitals, and it was their kit in collaboration. So I have this chiffon lace here or chiffon ribbon that I just tied on the sides of the little rings to hold the journal pages together. There's two little charms here. Now you can move these to somewhere else if you'd like. Two little Alice in Wonderland books. And then on this little charm here I have the rabbit and teapot and a key. And then in here I have put this these doorknobs on here and wrap that around to keep this door closed. And then when it opens inside, there is the rabbit, and this is to illustrate the hole, going down the rabbit hole. And then this is the part of the tea party that's swirling around. And then there's Alice up there at the top of the table. And I put this heart here because in the storybook itself, she is sitting at a table with a heart-shaped chair. So I don't know if you guys knew that or not. And I have Alice's tea party right here. Okay, so that is pretty much the front. This goes back and forth like that. And then I have, and this can be taken off as well if you don't want these dangling. Then I put a collage up here, a teacup, and then a couple cards under this. Don't know what that's called. It's like a plastic dome thing. So, oh, I forgot to measure. Hold on. Forgot to measure. I don't even know how many pages. I forgot to count them. I am so far behind here. 6.5 wide by 8 3/4, and then the spine is open because it's done with the rings. It's a ring bound journal, so that area there is 1.5, about 1.5, and then it opens a little farther than that here, about 2 3/4. Yeah, it's only 1.5 up there. No, it's more like 1 3/4. Okay, that's different. Okay, so now let's see what's inside. There's no closures here. I didn't put a tie around it because of this. It doesn't really need one. It will stay closed by itself. All right, so we're turn the first page. Let me scoot don't be difficult here. Okay, so here is the first page, or the first inside cover, and then now I need to re-glue that. This is just an envelope here, and I put a couple journal cards inside here, and you can put other things in there if you'd like, and then I will glue that little corner so I've got this little tuck area there. This is a journaling page here. I put some lace on that. This page here has a little notebook here with some papers inside there. It has a little journal card tag here. And then here's another charm that we made with those little plastic bubble things. I don't know what they're called. And then a journal card up here, and then I've decorated the top of this page with a little bit of collage there. This is just a picture of Alice, but you could journal up here or down here and make some notes on there. This is another journal card that we made. I think I made this on camera. And it's a large journal card, and then you have room back here if you want to journal on there a little bit. And then this flower shows through the window. And this is a little keyhole with a little cat eye looking out of it. And then I have a cat charm up here. Okay, and then this side is blank, but you can put a piece of paper there if you want. You can glue on and use it for journaling, the same as this page here. Then we do have a journaling spot here. Here is a corner pocket that I put on here, and then I did this little journal card with, I was going to say vintage, but it's not. It was a print that I got. I do have that in vintage, but that one's not. This is just a journal card. I think it was a Tim Holtz. And then this came out of another collection of a digital kit. I think it's My Porch Prints. It was a stack of books, and I don't know. I just thought it looked good in this, so I put it in there. There's a little charm here that we made, Queen in Court, just a tab, and there's a little card there. I punched a little hole and put the Queen in there. Queen of Hearts. And then we've got 2 journaling pages here. And then inside here, this pocket we made. And this kit is from the Collage Type February Planner Kit. That needs like ink right there. I'll forget to come back. I use that out of that kit. Now this one here we made on camera, on video, and it just ties around. It has like a little pretend clock there. And then this is the rabbit going to the tea party, I'm assuming, and he's late. So we open this up, and then there's a journal card in here to write on. I stenciled on the back of these journal cards because this was already very bulky. And then this opens up like this, and there's 2 tags here that I put little eyelets in. Finally got the eyelets working. And then these are 2 little ephemeras from the kit. And this is from the kit, another journal card. These are all from the kit, the little wording. This is like a 3 tiered paper, 3 folds. And that just goes in there. You can journal inside that. And another journal card over here, this pocket. A little tight there. And then I've got to figure out where the rest of it is. Here it is. On the back, there's another opening here, and then we have a journal card back here that I've slid into that pocket. And then this little pocket up here has another little journal card that I've stuck into that. So I think there's 7 pockets altogether. I'm sorry. It just doesn't want to slip back in there. Okay. So, and then this wraps back around it like so. Wait a minute. Wrong way. This way. And then this just goes inside of here like that and keeps it closed. All right. Now we have a journaling space here. Another space for you to put whatever you'd like. I'm sending some of the leftover pieces from the kit. There was so many parts to this kit that I couldn't use it all, so I thought maybe you might want to add to it however you want. This one I didn't make on camera, but I'll show you. This is a little Dollar Tree sticker thing, and I just put paper on the back, and then I put an eyelet in it. but it was really just a sticker. Then inside here, you pull up, this is the hidden envelope or hidden journal card. Pull up on this, and then we have a journal card in the front and the back of this, and it slides. And then you can also journal back here, and this slides right into this. Okay, and then I've got a pocket on here and 2 little journal cards right here. All right, so there's that. More journaling space. The kit has a lot of pages that you can journal in, which I thought was great. You know, one side is journaling and one side is a picture or something. This is a little trifold thing. This pocket here has 2 little cards from the deck of cards. You can journal on the back of those. Then I put this little notebook in here, little notepad that I made. We did that on camera. And then over here is a journal card that you can journal on both sides of this one. There's a tab right there. Then here we have a journaling tag, and then I have these vintage pages here that I cut. No, I take that back. These I printed, but they were from a vintage book that talked about the game of chess, and I thought that was perfect to put in there. And then here we have a journal card here, and I put some of the washi tape that came with the kit. Not the tape itself, but you can pretend it's washi. And then journaling on the back of that. And then that goes in that little side tuck. This is a altered paper clip, and it's clipping on something. What? Oh, I'll show you in a second here then. I'll leave that off. The doors kept flying open as I was turning the pages, so I put that paper clip up here so it'll keep them closed. But this was supposed to keep it closed. So inside this door we have Alice, and I put these vines earlier, and then I went ahead and added some flowers to the sides of those. So I thought it would stay closed better if I added those, but it didn't. So let me see if I can get this where I can put this back on. Whoops. Come on. Yeah, I just felt like that would be helpful to hold it in place. Getting slid all over the place here. How did I get all the way over here? Okay. All right, so that little one is done there. Another journaling spot here. And then here's another little part of the story, and also here. I was just, putting pockets on every page, so I kind of skipped some, and I'll let you do more if you'd like. Or, like I said, you can just take a sheet of paper that you have and glue it down and write on it. And you can always add pages to this. All you have to do is punch a couple holes inside of your pages. Okay, this is the one we made with the puzzle piece. And then I have the little jar here. I think that's what's supposed to have Drink Me in it. So I put Drink Me there. And then I have a couple little cards tucked in behind this key. I want to say key because I see the key. The puzzle piece, which holds it in place. And then we just have a little tiny card here that I added. And then you can journal there as well. You can journal up here and here. Another journal page here. And another journal page here, and then a page there that you can add something on it. And this side here has a tag here, and then I have this little tag, and I have a charm with Alice on it. And then this is just a little circle that I tucked under that, so you could write not too far. Maybe I should glue that side. But yeah, that's just stenciled on the back. And then this pocket, I put Time for Tea upside down because I think the whole concept of this story is everything is going every which way. And then I put the clock going sideways. And then the teapot is going up the correct way. Just thought it might be fun to do that. Okay, here we have a pocket, a tuck pocket, and then I made this a while back on, I don't know, just up for fun. And it's just has papers in it to write on. Okay, oh, it's a pocket from, it must have been a Trash It Tuesday, Your Creative Studio pocket envelope. Okay, and then this is the very back here, and I've got a journal card back here that you can journal on. So that is the end, and I'm not sure how many pages, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 pages. Is that times 4? 16 times 4? Yeah. So, I don't know what 16 times 4 is. But anyway, that is what we have as far as pages go. Let's tie that up a little bit tighter, a little loose. Okay, so I will have this listed on my website, which is ritajensen. I can't think of it. Cartel.com. I'm sorry. It'll be in the link. Boy, my mind just went totally blank right then and there. All right, you guys. So thanks for watching me make this. Thank you, Tanya, for inviting me to join you in this collaboration. And go over and check all the other ladies who are working on this journal, this kit. They're all doing different types of journals, so it'll be fun to see, you know, what everybody does. And I hope you just enjoyed this series as much as I did. All right, so thank you so much. I'm sorry I went blank in my head there for a minute, but I'll list it, everything in my description. All righty, so have a great day. Bye.